So now I'm just going to cover the apartment having a size of 3090. So this is going to be a drop-off area, a common drop-off area for 3 towers. On my left I have a tower which has a size of 3090. On my right there is another tower which has a size of 3090, and right on my back it's a 4 BHK tower which has a size of 3976. So right at the front of the drop-off area we'll be having a water body. The structural work will be completed till 3rd floor and will have vertical gardens on it, just like this. And all the drop-off area will get a glass canopy on the top. So now I'm just entering into the tower which has a size of 3090. So this is going to be the entrance lobby, which is actually double heighted, and on the ground floor we'll be having an area for security guard. So all the towers has a security guard area at the ground floor. Also we'll be having a common bathroom, common washroom at the ground floor for the visitors. At the ground floor we do not have any apartment. We only have the entrance lobby, lift lobby, and a door which will be opening towards the outside sitting areas. So now let's move to the apartment which is on the 1st floor. So this is our 3-bedroom plus servant. So right at the front we have the servant room. So as you see that we have used the Italian marble on the flooring, even on the bathroom walls. So throughout you will be able to see the Italian marble. And the servant room is connected to the kitchen through the utility balcony. So now I'm just moving towards the apartment. So this is going to be the main entrance door. The standard teak wood door which has a height of 8 feet. After entrance on the right we'll be having our kitchen. So kitchen is coming as it is, the way it looks like, upper and lower cabinets. Also we are providing white goods like hob, chimney, garbage crusher, RO, microwave, and side by side door refrigerator. Also there will be a Venus heavy duty geyser concealed in the ceiling. And in the utility balcony we are providing washing machines and dryers. Now we are moving towards our 1st bedroom. So throughout the apartment we have used the Italian marble. There is no wooden flooring or tile has been used in any of the rooms. So in all the bedrooms we'll be providing complete wardrobes. Ceiling work like POP work with the cove lighting and light fixtures. Along with that, we'll be providing you fans, ACs, and this is not a VRV or a centralized AC. This is a split AC, which we have created a look of centralized AC by extension. Bathrooms are coming as it is. With glass partition. Only few movable items will be removed from here. Along with glass partition, we are also providing a geyser which is concealed in the ceiling. And exhaust will be provided at the center. It also has a good pretty size of balcony, which is a running balcony to our living room. The size of the balcony is 6 by 21. And all the balcony will get this type of steel railing with the glass work at the front. On the way towards the living area, we have a powder room. So just because of this, all the rooms will have their bathrooms, so their privacy will be intact, and this powder room will be used for the common area. So here we have a split design. So on my one hand we have our dining area, and other hand we have our living area. So it gives you a feeling of two separate rooms. So even in the living room and dining area, you will get this POP work and cove lightings. Fans will be there and ACs will be provided. Only these chandelier won't be there. Same on the other side as well. This chandelier won't be provided. The ceiling work will come as it is. Now we are moving towards the kids' bedroom. The size of the bedroom is 13.5 by 11. And here also we are providing the same configuration, like wardrobes, POP work, cove lighting, light fixtures, fans and ACs. And bathrooms are coming as it is. Now let's move towards the master bedroom. The size of the master bedroom is 16.5 by 11. Same configuration is also available in this room. And it has a walk-in closet. Bathrooms are coming as it is, the way it looks like. Also there is a balcony next to the master bedroom. Size of the balcony is 6 by 12. Which is a pretty good size of the balcony. So this is a video of our apartment, which is the size is 3090 square feet.